Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town.
Hi beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboy and welcome back to this amazing channel. So today I want to show us what I prepared for my family during Christmas Day. So stick around and make sure you pick a tip for these festive season meals.
Bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart.
Allow me to begin with the haul. These are the items I have just bought from the supermarket. A few pieces of milk that will take me for the rest 1 week because they are 5 pieces. I also got some tomato paste. I also got meat. This one I'll be using for cooking pilau and also my stew. I also got 2 packets of yogurt for my baby. 1 piece of Ribena. She's already taking the other one. I also bought this dark soy sauce, different from what I use. I don't know if it's going to, I just hope it's going to have the same taste as the other one. I also bought a few bananas. I also got this one because I felt I needed it. I also got this wine. It's non-alcoholic. I also got very ripe tomatoes because that's what I wanted. Some onions and some dania. I also bought peas. I'll be using this peas to make my stew. So that's what I bought today. A previous day I had gotten this chicken. So I was just putting it here for it to defrost. So in this bowl, I have some rice. I've already soaked it because I want to start by cooking my vegetable rice. And I also have my dough here. I've already prepared it because I want to cook chapatis. So I think I'm cooking 4 main meals. I have vegetable rice. I have chapatis, chicken, stew, and I think I'll also cook some small pilau. So we are going to cook this together. So make sure you stick around. So without so much talking, allow me to start preparing the vegetables. And as I prepare, my chicken will be boiling. So today I have a lot of sources of heat. I'm going to be using the 3 burners, and I also have my small meko down here. And my chicken will be boiling here as I cook the rest of the items. So stick around. Let's prepare this Christmas meal together.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home.
Here I'm just trying to prepare my ingredients. I'll be using carrots for my stew and vegetable rice. Tomatoes, I also have I'm going to chop my danias or the corianders. And as I do so, my chicken is already boiling. And I will also start boiling my peas that I'll be using for my vegetable rice and also my meat.
Feel my heart melt. You walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was
Allow me to take this opportunity to just welcome all my new subscribers of the week. Thank you very much for joining this family. My returnees, asanteni sana for always finding time to come and catch up with my content. And special thanks to my Premier Gang for always showing up. So today you're going to see me halfway. I think I didn't set the camera right, but at least you can see what I'm doing.
every ornament we got, no stockings hung, we know we flow.
Today I didn't get the whole piece. Today I got the peeled ones, and they are super expensive. A glass is going at 50 shillings, which is very unusual, but I think it's because of the Christmas holidays. So I bought 2 glasses at 100 shillings, but they're going to be enough for what I'm cooking because we're just the 2 of us with my daughter.
Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was
I just chopped everything the kienyeji way. I have a chopping board, but I just decided to do it using my hands. I'm just trying to prepare the carrots I'm going to be using for my vegetable rice. And as you can see, my peas have I boiled yet? No, it's not yet. I'm going to be steaming them a little bit together with my peas. So that I can prepare my vegetable rice. If you watched my previous video of preparing my vegetable rice, that's the method I'm going to use today. I first steam the vegetables, then I'm going to mix with boiled rice.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
I think preparing ingredients normally take a lot of time than cooking. That's what I realized. And yeah, I think if you have some help, just ask someone to help you as you try cooking something else. But there I've cut my onions, tomatoes into big pieces. Don't ask why. I am going to blend them. It will be easier that way because initially for the past 1 month I've just been grating them and it usually consumes a lot of time. So today I just decided to use my blender to just obtain the paste.
Right up in the sky, I need you to listen, I need you to hear.
Here I'm grating my ginger and garlic. I don't know what you normally use. Maybe you can comment down below. I have been using that other method of grinding them using that pestle and mortar, but I realized that they don't form some good paste. Others are usually left maybe bigger than the rest. So this what do I call it? This grater does an amazing job. There's that part that is usually used to grate, and it forms a very, very good paste. Maybe you can comment below how you normally prepare your garlic and ginger paste.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So my vegetables for cooking the, what do I call it, for the vegetable rice are ready, and I just go ahead and fry them. Yeah, so it is that quick process, and I first ensured that my rice was boiled before everything else.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if
for the vegetable rice, I'm going to add in some small turmeric to just allow the color to change a little bit to yellow other than white. On the other hand, I'm also trying to brown my meat that I'll be cooking my pilau with. So I'm going to cook this concurrently. I'll be preparing the vegetable rice on one side, and on the other side, I'm going to be cooking my pilau.
here. 'Cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
As my pilau onions were trying to brown, I began cooking my stew on that other end. Yeah.
And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
For my stew, I'll be cooking it using some potatoes and the minji. The Kikuyu in me could not allow me to leave out potatoes and minji. So that's what I'll be using to cook my stew, and I will also add in some little meat.
Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
My chicken is ready too, and it's too much, so I'm just going to get a proportion of what we will eat with my daughter, and I will be frying it with some onions and tomatoes and danias and the rest, because I want some wet fry. Yeah, so I'll be preparing with that sufuria that I had used to brown my meat, so I'll not get another sufuria. Yeah, so I'm almost done cooking. I'm just doing the last part. I will only be left with my chapatis, and at this point I'm already very tired, very, very tired, but I'll have to finish up what I started.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Ooh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
I'm finally done cooking. Let me show you what I cooked. The first thing I cooked, that's my stew. I also cooked some pilau. There it is. I also cooked vegetable rice. And finally is the chicken. Not finally. I've also cooked chapati off camera because I was using my small gas, so I was not able to film anything. My baby has already eaten, so I will just serve for myself. So this is it, guys, and that is the presentation. I've just put a small proportion of each because my appetite is already gone after cooking all this. I think I missed out on vegetables, but I realized the food will be too much and we're just the two of us. So I will just add this piece of chapati and that will be it. Maybe in the comment section you can share out what you cooked for your family during Christmas. And at this chance, allow me to wish you a Merry Christmas. Let me see you in my next one. I love you so, so much.